Twisty and guess what? I actually got this from Walmart. It's the price $4. Wow, and it was $15, which was so cool. And there was actually a lot of other ones too, but me and my mom decided to choose this one. And it also comes with one lip balm inside. Let me move it here. See? So anyway, don't forget to subscribe to Bunda Raquel because she is my mom and she helps edit my videos all the time. So let's get started. But before we do, don't forget to like this video and subscribe so you will never ever miss a video. So actually you have to go to my channel and subscribing will help a lot to make more videos. Now we have to get started. Oh, and by the way, it's series 3. You can also follow them on YouTube and Instagram, #twistypetz. 4 years plus. We collected Miss Unique Gloss Unicorn, which is a limited edition, and Rosie Dauphin. This is probably a common, but it does look a limited edition. So let's get started. And did I mention that there's a mystery one too? That's the main part. Here. Oh, you can see it from here. I wonder what it is. But it's probably really cool. Let's see it. We got Llama Rama Llama, which is the theme I'm going to do for my birthday party. Oh my god, this is so cool. I love the colors. Let's get out Mini Gloss Unicorn. Miss Gloss Unigloss Unicorn. So here it is. And as you know, Twisty Petz can also be twisted like this into a bracelet. Woohoo! Let's see the lip balm part. This is going to be so good. And it's covered in plastic. I wonder what flavor it is. Maybe it's strawberry. It smells so glossy. And it is very glossy too. I'm going to put some on my lips. Oopsies. So there's also a little book here. Some details. So it's actually really scented too. I'm going to put this right here. And we also have another one here, which is Rosie Dauphin. Let's get it out. Now I think they're both even because this is super metallic. And it's common though, but it's very metallic. And this one's just a little bit glittery with a lip balm. So there's a little hole on their head right here, so you can turn it into a little toy. And you can also put it as a bracelet. Here it is. They're super fun. Now we only have one left. Llama Rama Llama. I love this. So it's a little cute toy with it too. So it can also, here's how to undo it. You untwist it 2 times, untwist the other legs, and then you have this snake, and you put the stick on top of the head, which is a bit difficult. It's actually a lot difficult because it's also for a toy. Anyway, that's how you turn it into a bracelet. I have actually 4 Twisty Pets because one time I got one at a gift shop thing. And then we can try doing this again. I think I got like a little panda last time. But that was so long ago. It doesn't work that good. But meanwhile, I can put these on my hands. Here's Rosie Dauphin. And a mini Unigloss unicorn. So, I like how it's like this because, I don't know, it's just so cute. And then, even though you can see it from the back side, it's still really cute. So, this is kind of like really hard, almost impossible. So, I'm just going to tell you how to make the character. I put them on my hands here. So you do this, twist it twice, 1, 2. You can do it actually as many times as you want to make it secure. But first we can check out this is how to disassemble it. And there's also a collector's guide with it. See? It's really cool. So there's like, some have even wings with it. So it makes it really cool. This is like a snake right now. Anyway, let's check out the collector's guide. And see what we got. Maybe it's a limited edition. Who knows? Ooh, there's also families that you can collect. So if you collect a family, it's gonna be such a cozy family. Here it is. So there's enchanted gems. Did we get anything from there? Yes, we did. So we got llama, I think. But it looks off a bit, so we'll have to keep searching. So I wonder how it is. There's also some new ones, which is the ones that we got. Anyway, we can still search for it. Oh, this is probably the most one that's so rare. It's called Sugar Glitter. Wow. So I think we might got this one. Maybe the color is just off a bit. We might have. I think we did. So I think it's enchanted gems actually because it looks so cool. Hooray. Being sure. Okay, so that's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Take one last look. There. So that's our video that we got for only $4. It used to be $15. Oh my gosh, it's so cool. Anyway, don't forget to subscribe, like, and goodbye.